Good morning, Tyler Abbs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a quick little video on that 2017 GMC Sierra Crew Cab SLT. This does have that Premium Plus package, which gives you basically every option you can ask for, really. Check this out. You got your parking sensors around the back, tow package, and the matching topper along with it. And check this thing out. Nobody's breaking into that thing. 20-inch wheels along with brand new tires on it. Factory running boards and the matching tint in the front. Check that out. What a great looking truck. You got your LED headlights right here in the front and your forward collision sensors. Now take a look inside. Full leather interior, power driver seat, power passenger seat, all weather floor liners, Bose stereo system. Come on. Check this out. You got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your backup camera there. Cooled seats and heated seats, dual climate control, all your little accessory buttons here. Check out all those power options right there. This thing is fully loaded, ready to go, fully equipped with wireless charging. Check that out, rear sliding window in the back. Four-wheel drive controls right here and your built-in trailer brake controller. Built-in navigation, heated steering wheel. This thing is absolutely loaded, only 57,000 miles. This thing is certified, so you still get factory warranty along with it. Not that you'll need it, this thing will run forever and ever. Any questions, please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thanks a lot.